So, should you buy this drone right now, or maybe it's not worth it anymore? Let's find that out in this video. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new video. This time we are gonna talk about the DJI Mini 2. I did some other videos on the DJI Mini 2, so if you haven't seen them already, just click on the link right here. But this time I want to talk about something else about this drone, and actually I've had it now for like 6 months, so I've decided to do like a long-term review, and I want to answer to that question that you have heard before. So before answering that question, I'm gonna just remind you some of the best features of this drone and why it could be still like worth buying right now. So all these points are gonna be like personal preference, so maybe you're gonna use, or maybe you are using this drone in other ways, but for me these are the best points that I found on this drone. And so let's start with the first one. For me, the first point is of course the usability and the portability of the drone. I mean, you can see it right there. It is like very small. It's like the size of my hand, and maybe smaller, actually smaller than my hand, and you can put it pretty much anywhere. Both the remote control and the drone, actually the remote controller is a little bit bigger than the drone, and that is pretty funny, but you can put them pretty much anywhere. Actually, when it was like colder outside and when it was snowing, I've got like those big jackets for the winter, and I've actually put the drone in those pockets. So without carrying any backpacks or any stuff like that, I just pick the drone and just put it inside the pockets. And that is a big thing for me because I usually fly on the go. So when I'm around and I decide to just pull out the drone and do some recordings, I just do it. And the Mini 2 is actually perfect for this. And remember that you can fly this drone actually pretty much anywhere because it is under 250 grams, so license free. It is more a toy than like a big and professional drone. So nobody's gonna give you some problems with this drone because it's very small, and so nobody's gonna tell you like go away with this big drone because it's very noisy, or maybe they don't want a drone like flying around them. So you're not gonna have any of this problem, trust me. And remember, of course, I can charge this drone like very fast and very quickly by having just a small power bank, and I can just charge this drone in like 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes to fly another 30 minutes. And this is a big thing because if you don't want to carry, or maybe if you don't have more batteries, you just can bring a small power bank and just charge the drone like a few times. And it is a very good thing because it's still very portable, because you can just bring the drone, the remote controller, and actually a small power bank without any problem. Talking about the camera, the quality is still very good. I mean, for a drone of that size, it is very good in my opinion, and the 4K is doing like a great job. So if you are doing like clips for socials like me, for YouTube, or maybe you can do it like for small jobs, it is very much capable of those things. So I cannot tell anything bad about the camera. And actually with this camera, you cannot shoot, of course, in D-Log, so you cannot just color grade very much the videos from this camera, but actually you can do some work on them, and this is a pretty good thing in my opinion. Also, the signal on the new OcuSync 2.0, I mean, there is the OcuSync 3.0 right now with the Air 2S, but with the OcuSync 2.0, you're not gonna have pretty much any problem because you have like a 10 kilometers of range with your drone, and you're not gonna ever reach 10 kilometers, but the strong signal actually helps you fly through like a difficult condition, we can say. So many stuff around, so many interference or stuff like that, and you're not gonna have pretty much any problem at all. One more important thing is that this drone is actually still receiving some important updates. They keep the drone updated, and so the drone keeps like getting better and better, and this is a pretty big thing because in the last period they've added like few features. This is a very good thing in my opinion, because for now the drone is not getting old at all. So let's now answer to the first question. So should you buy this drone right now, or maybe you can wait for the next one, or maybe you can just buy another model, so the bigger brother like the Air 2 or maybe the Air 2S. And for me, the answer is very simple. Like I said before, for my usage, this drone is like perfect. I just recommend it to anyone who is doing like run and gun shooting, or maybe you are traveling a lot, or maybe you're just moving from a place to another like few times in the day, and so you don't want to bring anything heavy in your backpack, or maybe you don't want to bring the backpack at all, and so this drone is just perfect. I mean, it's too convenient using this drone because it's so small that you can put it everywhere, like I said before, and also you can fly it anywhere. And I repeat, if you want to do like small jobs, maybe not the commercial one, or maybe you have to do like a particular video, like in some small areas, or maybe some particular areas, you can fly it pretty much anytime. So it is perfect for this situation, and also for the social networks, so like YouTube. It is very, very good. Actually, I repeat, the quality is not, I mean, the best one, of course, because the sensor, it is very, very small, but it does the job. I mean, you can bring home like very, very good clips with a very, very good quality. So I think this one, for me, it's kind of like best buy, because for what I do with the drone, it is perfect. Of course, you have to evaluate if you have to buy this drone or not, mostly from your usage, because of course, I repeat, if you have to do like professional works and you need like extra quality, or maybe extra range or sensors maybe, and stuff like that, maybe this is not the drone for you. But I think this one should be like in most of the filmmakers' backpack, because I mean, it doesn't take any space, so why do not have a drone like that? And for me, that's it. I mean, this was my 2 cents on this Mini 2. Actually, you can see it right there, back there. And for now, I had a good experience with this drone, so I can recommend it like easily, in my opinion. But if you don't agree with me, or maybe you just agree totally with me, just comment down below in the comment section so we can chat about it. And I hope you liked this quick video on the Mini 2. And if you want some more, or maybe something specific, just comment down below as always. And if you haven't subscribed already, just consider doing it right now, because it's free and actually it will help this channel to grow, and it's very much appreciated by me. And I think for now that's it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.